Once upon a time, in a city not too far away, lived a unique little girl named America Chavez. She had an extraordinary ability. She could teleport through dimensions. One sunny afternoon, America was playing in her favorite park when she noticed something peculiar. A small, glowing orb appeared out of nowhere, hovering above the ground. Curious, she approached it slowly. "What are you?" she asked. The orb hummed softly, and in a voice like tiny bells, it said, "I am a key, but I am incomplete." America's eyes widened. A key? To what? The orb glowed brighter. To a world in dire need of help. With a determined nod, America reached out her hand and took the key. A swirl of colors enveloped her, and she found herself in a strange, dark world. The land was barren and the sky was filled with storm clouds. She saw creatures in distress, crying out for help. America knew she had to act. She teleported from one place to another, helping the creatures in need. She fixed broken machines, mended broken bridges, and even managed to make the sun shine again. As she worked, she felt a sense of fulfillment. She had used her powers not just for fun, but to make a difference. The creatures cheered for her, thanking her for her help. After a long day, America finally found the source of the trouble, a giant, evil robot. She stood before it, her heart pounding. But she knew she could do this. With a deep breath, she charged at the robot. Using her teleportation powers, she managed to dodge its attacks. Finally, she found its weak point and with a mighty punch, she defeated it. The storm clouds cleared, and the sun shone brightly again. The creatures rejoiced, and America smiled. She had saved the day. With the key still in her hand, she teleported back to her own world. She was tired but happy. She had shown everyone that even a little girl could make a big difference. From that day on, America Chavez became a beacon of hope, a superhero who traveled through dimensions, helping those in need. And every night, she would dream of her next adventure. The end.